Viewers, data suggesting that no EVM memory verification requests were filed in at least 4 out of 5 states and union territories that saw assembly polls recently has triggered a political firestorm. BJP claims this proves that the opposition used EVM bahana to cover up its failure to win the trust in people's mandate, while opposition reiterates its voter chori charge in Haryana and Maharashtra in 2024, saying that the EVM issue can be limited to a few states as well. Now, as per the opposition, BJP is involved in election rigging and EC is just a puppet. And viewers, before we tell you who is really saying what in this particular case, let's take you through the data that has triggered this war of words between the government, between the BJP and the opposition specifically. So let's take you through the data, in fact, that we are talking about that has led to this controversy. Now, according to the data and reports, no EVM memory check applications were filed in West Bengal, Assam, Kerala, as well as Puducherry. Now, memory check applications, in fact, were filed only in Tamil Nadu. Interestingly, only 4 applications from Tamil Nadu were filed with the Election Commission. Number of petitions against election process also was quite minimal. Mamata Banerjee filed a petition over counting process from Bhabanipur specifically. Usually, such elections are followed by a series of petitions, but this time, it did not really happen. This issue is being raised because recently concluded assembly polls were fiercely contested. In fact, Mamata Banerjee even refused to accept the mandate initially. And now data suggests that not a single EVM memory checking and verification application was filed across West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee, former Bengal Chief Minister, only filed 1 petition over the counting process in Bhabanipur constituency. Now, such elections in the past have been followed by a series of election petitions. And here's an example of how in the past we have seen applications being filed. For example, in 2024 Lok Sabha polls, at least 8 EVM memory verification requests were registered with the Election Commission. Then comes 2024 Maharashtra Assembly polls. 8 of them were registered. Then in 2024 Haryana Assembly polls, after the results came out, 6 such, in fact, applications were filed of EVM memory verification. And in J&K Assembly polls as well in 2024, 1 was filed. But this time, there wasn't a lot of these requests. In fact, just 4 went, and that too from Tamil Nadu. Now, viewers, BJP says this exposes the double standard of the Congress party, and even defeated candidates are now convinced that EVMs can't be blamed all the time. Listen in.
देखिए, विपक्ष ईवीएम या चुनाव आयोग पर ठीकरा फोड़ करके बचना चाहता है, मुझे लगता है बच नहीं सकता। हार जिस तरह से करारी हुई है, दिल्ली से लेकर हरियाणा से लेकर महाराष्ट्र से लेकर उड़ीसा से लेकर पश्चिम बंगाल, तो आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी की जो लोकप्रियता है, चाहे पूरे देश के अंदर हो या दुनिया के अंदर, तो उन्हें वो देखना चाहिए। और मैं कहूँगा जनता ने जब नकार दिया है तो एक बार स्वीकार जब करेंगे तो हो सकता है कि सही समीक्षा कर पाए। अन्यथा ईवीएम पर और चुनाव आयोग पर ठीकरा फोड़ते रहेंगे और इनकी हालत और ज्यादा, इससे भी ज्यादा बदतर हो।
ईवीएम बहाना है, इलेक्शन कमीशन बहाना है, अपने आप को बचाना है। That is why election commission पर निशाना है. This has been proven to be true. Actually, they only create a doubt in the minds of the voters and the people, and they create an alibi or an excuse to save themselves from accountability. In reality, they also know that the EVMs are working just fine. They only blame it in the states where they lose elections. This is their hypocrisy.
Now, experts feel that this is probably because of special intensive revision of electoral rules that is now the focus of the opposition. Listen in to the reactions from opposition.
The Election Commission stands as a puppet in the hands of BJP, and this kind of election mismanagement or the ballot issue is there. When we feel that they have done it, this kind of things, mismanaging or the fairness of the election is affected, we will speak. It is for them to clarify, it is for the Election Commission to clarify our concerns, which doesn't